Hi, Jonathan York from Investment Research Group, looking at the investment markets ahead. Certainly a very nervous week last week. We share markets under quite a bit of pressure, and most of the major indices were off between sort of 3 to 5% over the course of the week. Main causes for concern is obviously potential for a double-dip recession, although most of the major authorities and regulatory bodies seem to think that is unlikely at present, but certainly growth is slowing a little bit. However, corporate balance sheets in the US are still very strong, and it'll just be very interesting to see the reporting season for the third quarter in the US, just to see how these major corporates did perform. Certainly there have been some good news stories out there. Kathmandu had a particularly good set of results and appear to be managing to fly in the wind of the current slowdown in retail spending out there. Interesting to note as well, though, towards the end of last week, gold just did come off over $100 an ounce, and also US Treasuries came off as well. These are normally considered safe haven buying opportunities, and it's maybe quite interesting to note that some of the safe havens are actually seeing a little bit of a sell-off now, so possibly investors are looking to put some money to work into some of what's called more riskier assets out there. Just on the US Treasuries, I mean, it is sort of quite ironic that with the recent downgrade by S&P, hearing that they were more risky, still in times of trouble, investors do look to invest in US Treasuries, which so does seem sort of quite ironic given that S&P view them as more risky now. So for this week, expect still a nervous week. We've got potentially a vote on the Greek bailout. Most people expect that to go through now. We've also got some further news out of China, re their growth. Even with the potential slowing out there, Chinese growth is still growing between 8 to 10%, which is still pretty good when compared with the rest of the world economies out there. So if you do have any shares to purchase or sell, call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz for lots of interesting articles, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.